Picture this: you're cruising through the city, delivering delicious meals with Uber Eats. But are you 100% covered in case of an accident? Let's dive into how you, as an Uber Eats driver, can use Zego to get the insurance you need and drive with confidence. First, download the Zego delivery app from the App Store or Google Play. The link is in the description below to make it super easy. Now let's get started. If you are new to the platform, create an account using your email address and follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. The app will ask certain questions, such as what type of vehicle you drive. Do you deliver food or people? Answer these questions honestly and accurately to ensure you get the correct coverage. Zego offers flexible short-term or longer coverage options specifically designed for delivery drivers. Look at the different options and choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. The magic of Zego is its flexibility. When you're online and accepting Uber Eats orders, activate your Zego policy with just a tap. When you're offline, easily deactivate it, saving you money when you're not working. And that's it. With Zego, you're covered while you're making deliveries, giving you peace of mind and ensuring you meet all legal requirements. Drive safe, deliver happy, and remember to subscribe for more helpful driver tips. #Zego Insurance, #Uber Eats Driver.